From Apple's immersive goggles to the rise of sustainable electric cars, explore the developing web development scene, the promise of decentralized finance, and the clash between remote and in-person work cultures. Get ready for a tech-driven future. Number 10. The rise of generative AI. Generative AI is quickly reshaping many areas, especially web development. More details below. This isn't just about using technology, it's about making advanced tools accessible to people who aren't traditional software or computer science experts. It marks a shift from exclusive control by domain experts to a more inclusive approach, like the no-code revolution, empowering a broader range of creators, builders, operators, and innovators. This transformative technology goes beyond automating routine tasks. It's injecting new possibilities into processes. For developers, it means moving away from repetitive coding to more innovative aspects of building, bringing forth a new period of efficiency and creative freedom. The expectation is that its growing use across different industries and professions will create unprecedented opportunities for those ready to seize them. Number 9. Job market shifts in 2023. At the beginning of 2023, there were significant job layoffs from major companies like Amazon, Google, and Microsoft. This not only flooded the job market with more skilled individuals, but also led to a 60% decline in available positions. For junior developers aiming to break into the industry, it was a tough time. In contrast to 2021, when remote work allowed people to secure multiple jobs with short boot camps, the current job market is challenging. Companies are actively trying to bring employees back to the office, and stories on Reddit highlight the tough job-seeking landscape. However, there's a bit of optimism as job openings have increased by 13.8% from earlier in the year. While not back to pre-2023 levels, there's a cautious hope for improvements in the job market heading into 2024. Number 8. What's next in wearables? Get ready for the next big thing in wearables: smart rings. While smartwatches and bands are still in the game, CES 2024 will likely showcase a wave of screen-free, finger-friendly devices focused on health, wellness, and fitness. These trendy rings will not only offer more functionality, but also a touch of fashion. Alongside them, expect health-conscious earbuds that monitor heart rate, blood pressure, and anxiety, proving that a lot can be gleaned from a simple earbud in your ear. The overarching theme for 2024 is discreet technology doing what your Apple Watch or smartphone does, but with a lower profile. There's also a chance that smart fabrics will make a comeback, introducing smaller, smarter sensors for practical and comfortable vitals tracking, maybe even some impressive smart socks. Another area of growth is in smart glasses, with Meta's Ray-Ban smart glasses leading the way. Number 7. Microsoft and AWS are going to ARM. Microsoft made a big announcement. They're getting into the chip-making game with the Maya chip for AI and the Cobalt CPU, an ARM-based processor built for general use in the cloud. Interestingly, AWS is also jumping on the ARM bandwagon, developing chips that are not only cost-effective, but also more efficient than the traditional x86 chips. Currently, most PCs and Windows laptops run on x86 architecture, but that might not be the case down the road. Thanks to Project Vola, Windows can now run on ARM chips, and even Intel is getting in on the action, gearing up to manufacture ARM chips. Number 6. Green tech takes the lead. The tech world is undergoing a major change, moving towards sustainable technology and eco-friendly initiatives. This shift, seen as a crucial trend in combating climate change, is not just about being green, but also involves business models focused on growth to drive innovation. This means we can expect progress in recycling, electric vehicles, eco-friendly construction, renewable energy, agri-tech, carbon capture, and more. Keep an eye on global climate conferences like the one in Iceland and upcoming events in Japan for insights. Number 5. A glimpse into the future of reality. Apple's Vision Pro, set to launch around February 2024, is not your typical wearable. Priced at nearly $4,000, these goggles offer an immersive experience by blending your real world with computer-generated elements or plunging you into a full-on virtual reality. The technology packed into these headsets is top-notch, showcasing Apple's impressive optics and silicon capabilities. In 2024, everyday consumers, beyond a select group of journalists, will get a chance to try out Vision Pro in Apple stores nationwide. It's a big gamble for Apple, and while I expect people to be amazed, I don't foresee a lot of purchases at that hefty price. Rumor has it that Apple might follow up with a more affordable headset in mid-2024 or early 2025, possibly named Vision Pro Lite, which could attract a broader audience. The bigger question is how Apple's spatial computing strategy will impact the broader computing world. While 2024 might not see major changes in habits, it's likely to spark some interesting thoughts, setting the stage for a potentially transformative 2025. Number 4. Future of web development. In the ever-evolving world of web development, JavaScript remains wild, but a shift is on the horizon for 2024. The The trend suggests a slowdown in the creation of new JavaScript frameworks, as they all start to offer a similar developer experience with signal-based reactivity. Instead, the competition is moving towards building the best tools for existing frameworks. Visual editors and IDEs for popular frameworks like React, allowing you to drag and drop components instead of manual coding, are becoming more prevalent. Notably, tools like Visual Copilot use AI to automatically generate framework code based on designs from software. Number 3. Blockchain and DeFi. Blockchain and DeFi, decentralized finance, have long promised a safer and more decentralized approach to financial transactions and data management, aiming to revolutionize online privacy, security, and financial dealings. Despite these promises, the adoption hasn't matched the rapid growth seen in generative AI. However, many are optimistic that 2024 might be the turning point for this space. As Bitcoin prices show a significant rebound, there's a renewed hope that the potential of DeFi can become a reality, especially if more practical applications gain broad trust and adoption. Number 2. Exciting times ahead for electric cars in 2024. The upcoming year is shaping up to be a major one for electric vehicles, EVs, with several car companies rolling out new models, sparking healthy competition that could bring down prices. However, the fate of U.S. subsidies hangs in the balance, potentially affecting the affordability of these eco-friendly rides. On a brighter note, the charging network is on the brink of a significant standardization overhaul, ensuring that finding a charging station won't be a headache for EV owners. Yet, as EVs become more software-based, offering regular over-the-air updates, it introduces a new dynamic to car ownership. While this innovation is promising, not everyone might embrace the constant changes, drawing a parallel to the mixed feelings when your aging uncle's iPhone gets a software update. Number 1. Clash of remote and in-person cultures. The surge in remote and hybrid work models has spurred the development of technologies promoting collaboration among teams spread across different locations, bringing changes to how companies approach talent acquisition and retention. However, there's a pushback in some quarters aiming to return to pre-2020 work habits, leading to contrasting predictions for the future. Forrester research suggests that non-union workers may use legal precedent to push for policy changes and investments, particularly related to climate change adaptation. This shift is transformative, creating a more adaptable global workforce, reshaping traditional office dynamics and striking a balance between work and personal life. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, click the like and the bell buttons. We'll have another video for you soon. Take care until then.